Hi guys, today I'm going to discuss about the KubeArmor. It is a cloud native runtime security enforcement. Like we use it in Kubernetes. What is KubeArmor? Basically, KubeArmor is a security tool we use in Kubernetes. Like it's a tool from the CNCF sandbox. It is going to be provide it uses eBPF plus Linux security modules and AppArmor or SELinux. Like it enforces the runtime behavior rules and file executing rules. It is going to be provide the kernel level for maximum protection in overall Kubernetes cluster. Architecture of components basically we have KubeArmor agent. KubeArmor agent is it's going to be run every Kubernetes node. It enforces some policies exec file, access network capabilities like that, and KubeArmor Operator. KubeArmor Operator is it is going to be manage the policy lifecycle. Like it is going to be handle the cluster wide KubeArmor configuration. And one more architecture component is KubeArmor Relay. It is going to be collect the overall logs and events and forwards to monitoring tools like Grafana and Elastic or SIEM. Now the features of KubeArmor. Process execution control here we have only specific binaries to run inside a pod. We can restrict them there is some commands called bin python like that. We can allow them or we can block it them. And file access control, we can block the file or restrict the folder access to prevent the data losses. And network enforcement, in enforcements we can restrict outgoing or incoming network connections. And when it comes to Linux capabilities, it can remove the danger capabilities some system admin commands like that command. In least privilege policies, nothing is allowed without the admin permission. Like we can block the files and commands as well. And thread KubeArmor prevents, like it is going to be here we have zero day exploits. like uh, if an app has a vulnerability log4 shell or anything, an abnormal behavior is going to be blocked completely. Privilege escalation, like it is going to be stop gaining root like privileges. Like it is going to be block the unauthorized access to root. Unauthorized binary execution, here it is going to be stop the malware to run. And supply chain attacks, whenever the system is going to be compromised, KubeArmor is going to be prevent the runtime executable commands administrator commands. It is going to be block the commands. In real world example, in real world example we can take a company which has a log4 shell vulnerability. It is going to be block a Java unexpected behavior, like a random execution triggered by any exploit is, and reducing PCI and DSS audit time by 60%. Because it enforces the tight access restrictions Linux commands and folder blockages like that. And it is going to be faster detection in abnormal systems calls, quickly as alerts. It is going to be reduced the MTTD.